So suddenly there is a panic saying mutual funds are not working. The brutal truth behind SIP returns. Today I'm gonna address this topic. A lot of investors today are asking one simple question: mutual funds are not working anymore. What should I do now? The distributors, the advisors are getting pissed off with so many calls. If you are also thinking in this way, I want to tell you one thing very clearly. You are not wrong to feel this way. I acknowledge that. But your conclusion may be wrong. Because what is happening today is not a failure of mutual funds. It is a normal phase after an abnormal market phase. Let's understand this with data and honesty. First, look at the industry itself. Mutual funds in India are collapsing. No, they are at record size. The total mutual fund AUM is now around 82 lakh crore rupees. And this I am talking with the source of AMFI India. The source used here is AMFI India. Refer to that. 82 lakh crores. This means one thing is clear. Money is not exiting mutual funds. Money is not exiting mutual funds. Money is still staying inside the system. Now let's talk about SIPs. Monthly SIP inflows are still around 30,000 crore rupees every month. Again, the data is from AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India. Think about this carefully. Even after market having so much volatility, even after fear in the market, people are still investing every single month. This is not panic behavior. This is a disciplined behavior which people are exhibiting now. If everything is so strong, why do investors are feeling disappointed, or why they suddenly started talking about all this stuff? Here is the real reason. Between 2020 and 2024, we saw an extraordinary bull market. Post-COVID phase, I am telling, till 2024. Small cap funds gave very high returns. Mid cap funds performed aggressively. Many portfolios doubled faster than the expectations. Believing one thing, 20 to 30% returns are now normal. They are the benchmark. I will get 20 to 30% return. But that is not true, sir. That was an exceptional phase. 2020 to 2024 for equity markets of India as an exceptional phase, not a permanent rally. Markets always move in cycles. Strong bull phase, then consolidation, then normal returns. Right now we are in the normalization phase. Don't think I am using a fancy word. Yes, this phase can be termed a normalization phase. And obviously, people feel disappointed. There is no entertainment like this, like before. Now let's look at investor behavior. Despite all the negative talks around, equity mutual funds are still seeing continuous inflows. This data is from AMFI once again. You can refer all this data from AMFI. This means one important thing. People are frustrated with returns, but they are not exiting mutual funds. This is a very big difference. So what is the real problem? Let's be brutally honest. The problem is not mutual funds. The problem is expectations. Now people may again think, oh, we should not expect. What is the first problem? People expect 20 to 30% CAGRs are normal. That is their benchmark. That is their expectation. Second problem, many investors entered after mutual fund rallies Third problem, people bought mutual funds on categories like small cap and thematic instead of goals and time horizon. No financial planning, no cash flow analysis has been done. Fourth problem, people think SIP, I have invested in SIP, it means that it doesn't carry any inherent risk. It does, sir, it is still an equity product. SIP only reduces the timing risk, but the market risk still remains. Now the most important question, what should you do now? Number one, do not stop SIPs because of short-term returns. Stopping SIP in bad phase destroys long-term wealth. Stop comparing your portfolio with social media, please. Stop comparing with the social medias. Consistency is the only reality. Think in next 7 to 10 years cycle horizon, because wealth is not created in short bursts, it is created in long cycles. So let me complete or close this video. Again, I am telling you, mutual funds are not falling, expectations are being corrected. The expectations we had, those expectations are being corrected by the reality. And the investor who understands this phase will be the one who builds real wealth in the next cycle. I thought of, I'm driving currently, I thought of taking the screenshot of all the resources which I have used. Most of it is from AMFI, you can refer it. If you understand this, you already are ahead of most of investors. If you want next any information, I will try to make more videos, but I also need some encouragement. Do subscribe, do encourage people who watch my YouTube videos on my WhatsApp status, they themselves don't subscribe. ये हाल हो गया हमारा.